Facebook, your page name can't be changed. So if you are facing this problem when you are changing the name of your page, then this video might help you to solve this. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have opened up to my Facebook page over here. So in order to change, you just have to tap over your profile at the right upper corner. And here you have to go for settings option at the right upper corner right next to search bar. And here is your page settings. Tap over the page settings and you can see the name option in the upper section. Simply tap over the name and you will be directly opened up to a text box where you can edit your name. You just can simply tap and change your name. But if you are unable to change your name, then that might be due to various reasons. So the first reason is if you have changed your Facebook name recently and it hasn't been 60 days yet, then you won't be able to change your page name. So Facebook won't allow you to change your name within the interval of 60 days. So you must note it first. But if it has been already 60 days and you are still unable to change the name, then the next reason is your name may not be appropriate for the page. So sometimes when you enter the invalid name or something like that, then also you won't be able to change your page name properly. So you need to note it and you need to fulfill the requirements while creating a name, and then only you will be able to change your name. This is the second thing. And the last reason is if you are not the admin of the page, then also you won't be able to change the name of Facebook. So basically if you don't have access to the page, then you won't be able to find the settings for changing the name. But if you are still trying to change the name, then you must know that you have to have the access to the page or you need to be the admin of the page in order to change its name. So this is the third reason. Now the another reason is it may be the system error. So sometimes your Facebook may not be refreshed or it must be refreshed or something like that. So you just need a refreshment on your app. For that, just go back and you have to open up the apps and you have to press and hold over Facebook and go for app info directly. In this section, just go for storage and cache and you need to clear the cache. By doing that also, you'll be able to refresh your Facebook, and with this simple step, you'll be able to fix your problem. Now you just can go back and you have to tap on the text box and you have to enter your name, and after doing that, you just can go for reboot settings and you'll be finally be able to change your Facebook page name. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.